Very good afternoon. Today I'm going to write a G code in the word address format for this component, and in this case I will use a can circle also for drilling this 4 hole. Okay, so here the entire figure is there. From this figure you will be understood we will it has this one circle of a radius is 3 and 4 holes are there and the figure. So you have to first understood the dimension and you locate all the points so that it is easy. And locating these points it is little difficult, but here the diameter is given is 6 of the each hole, but because all the hole are having the common diameter. If I am writing here the axis or coordinate of a center, so then I can say the total height will be here. If I am using this pen, total height is you can see over here 20 plus 35, and this is coinciding with this. Okay, this is coinciding with this. These are 20, or I can, these are 90. These are 15 and 30. Rather than you can find out also if it is not possible, because this is, if I'm joining here like this way, then also I'll get. Rather than I'm assuming over here, just for the understanding, this is height is 20. So is a 20 plus 20 and 35 is nothing but it is a 75. Okay, this is 70. And the breadth here I can say this side it is 20, and this is also I am assuming this is a 20. So it is given over here because this is coinciding with that, and this is a 20 plus 20 plus 60, so this will be 100. Okay, this will be 100. So now the first, the diameter center of this circle. Now in this case, if I say this is a 100, this is a 20, this is a 50. So 20 plus 15 is 35. 35 minus 100 is 65. Means this center at the 65. One axis is 65. Writing here 65. Okay. I'm using this as comma. Okay. 65. Vertical is nothing but we can say uh, the distance between the two. This is 15. 15. Okay. And this is a 20. And this is 35. 20 plus 35, 55 minus 15. This will be 40. Okay. This will be 40. And y is same for this also. Only the value of x will be changing. 15 plus will be there, so this will be 80. Okay. For this circle, okay, uh, value of x will be same, but only the value of y will be 55. 15 will be increased. So it is 80 plus 55. It is easy to understood, and after that I can easily find out. For this, the coordinate same the x-axis, but the value of y will be again added 55. This is the 55. I'm writing with this pen so that okay, 65 and comma 55. Okay, then I can use the software. I will take the new. It's not visible to you, I know. I can first give the name of this machine. Okay, so I'm writing the name IM, then N01, the sequence number 1. As usual way, there is nothing values is given in the question. We have to assume. So G90 is absolute, G94 for the feed rate, and G17, G21 for the M for revolution, or I can write the G80 also for the fixed cycle cancel. Okay, can cycle cancel. M03, the spindle start, and I'm assuming the speed is 1000 rpm, and what we can say, this is a 1000 rpm. I can take it as a 250 is a feed rate. Okay, so G00. The first I have to locate, sorry, first I have to locate the tool will be here. What is the x value? Value of x is 60, so the radius is 60. Okay, then it move 20. So x is 60 and the value of z is 2. Let us take the thickness is 10 mm as usual for the just for the understanding. G0 z minus 10, then G01. First I'll move x20, x20, 20. Then the value of not x20, I'm sorry, it's not x20, it is actually x 60 plus 20 is 80. Okay, then G01, 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 then the value of y will increase by 20 here. Okay, the x value will be same, value of y will be 20. Then G01, the value of x will be 100. Why x 100? So you can see over here, this is at this point the value of x is 100. Now again the value of y only increases by 35, means the 25 plus 35 is 55. G01, y 55. Okay, again it will be moved from here to here. Okay, this is inclined line. For the inclined line, always we have to give the value of x and value of y of this point. So what is the value of x? That will be 60. Okay, what is the value of y? That is 75. So G01, for the both value you have to give 60, value of y will be 70. Okay, now from here, now I can move to this point where the value of x will be 0, value of y will be constant. Okay, this is a straight line. G01, value of x will be 0, y is y75. Okay, now the value of y will be decreasing because we are coming down. So here the value of y will be the radius of this quarter circle. So G01, value of y will be 60. Now here I can say it is rotated like this way. So this is a rotation of clockwise. So we will use G02. The next location will be here. The value of x will be, and value of x, value of y, both you have to write down. Okay. So G02, value of x will be 60. Value of y will be 0. Value of r will be 60. Okay. Value of r will be 60. So this is a full operation. Then G01, I can say Z2, then M05. Okay, stop the tool, and now I have to change the tool because this is a side milling tool. Now I need to do the drilling hole, 4 hole at the 4 different position. So then we required a drill. Okay, so here the diameter of drill is 6. Then I can say M06, T01. Okay, change of tool, M03. Again I have taken 1000. No need to write down the value of f because in this case directly I can use 81 and the value of x and y of the first hole, value of x and y for the first hole, this hole, and then I will drill this hole. Okay, 65 and 40, 65 and 40, 80 and 40. Okay, just then I'm writing 65, 65 and y 40, y 40. Okay, just a minute. 81, x will be 80 and y is 40 for both hole. Okay, and the value of z will be same for minus 10. Value of q will be 1, value of r will be 1, and value of f I am taking 250 in both the places. The value same value I am going to take. Okay, q value is 1, r value is 1, and f value is 250. Okay, if you want to change. Okay, hole has been done for the two hole. Other for two hole we are having 65, 55, 80 and 55. Okay, 65, 55, G 81, X 65, 55, 65, 55, Y will be 55, G 81, X will be 80 and Y will be 55. Actually here it is not 40, it is 10. Okay, the same thickness I am taking here 10. Value of Q is 1. Value of R also I have taken 1. F equal to 250. Okay, value of Z is minus 10. Value of Q is 1. Value of R is 1. Value of F is 250. Okay, so this is the final for the four holes with the difference 65, 55. I can see again 65, 55, 80 and 55. Okay, correct, 80 and 55. After that I have to stop the tool M05 and M30 end of the program. Okay, I have to go for the solid animation. This is the final programming. Solid animation, go to the solid, or go to the solid, note down whatever I am seeing. Okay, go to the solid. Before going to the solid, cut it down this one. Go to the tool setup. You can see the tool setup. First one I am having the animal feet. Let us take a 5 mm diameter. Next we are having the diameter is 6 and that is 3. Okay, just see this is 6 mm in diameter, so both are okay. I'll go to the solid setup, solid setup. Here 0 0, it is also 0. Minus 10 is okay. 100 I can take 105. Okay, and this is 75, I can take 78. This will be 0. So I'm not just kill I have to. Okay, so this is the job. Okay, I'm going to click. Let us see. I have to select the tool also. Drill. Okay. Okay.